Welcome back to another video, y'all. It's Olivia. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're not new here, thank you for clicking on this video as well, because surely I appreciate the both y'all. But y'all, happy September. I cannot believe we are in the 9th month of the year. It's crazy to see how time has flown by, but happy September. I hope y'all achieve all your goals, do what you're supposed to do and everything as such. But we're just going to get into a little reset. It's like a little mini reset for September. I just need to do some cleaning around the house, do some chores that I've been putting off for the longest. And yeah, so we're just going to be resetting, going to be doing some planning for the month. And as I'm doing right now, just getting my laundry together, because as y'all saw, like, my laundry was ridiculous. Usually I do not let it pile up this bad, but it's just, your girl been busy, so the laundry been piling up. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of this laundry. And as you can see, I'm washing today, but surely this will not get dry today. So yes, we're just doing some washing and drying, but it may take a little while for it to get folded. But most important thing is that I'm getting it washed and get it done. So yeah. So with any type of reset, whether it's weekly, monthly, so on and so forth, I have to have my area clean. So like I just did in the previous clips, I went ahead and did the laundry. And this is another task that I've been putting off forever, which is cleaning out our refrigerator at the house. Now, do not judge, because I know it looks a hot mess. Y'all see that? Yeah, the things just came out like that. But yeah, do not judge, because I know my refrigerator looks like a hot mess. But that's why we resetting. So we're gonna go ahead and doing this task I've been putting off for the longest. Just clean out this refrigerator, taking everything out, throwing out old stuff as well. Because y'all, I don't know why we just have stuff. It's like we hoard stuff in the refrigerator. So it's going to be a lot of stuff that needs to be thrown out. So I'm just going to clean it thoroughly. And yeah, and then we'll move on to the rest of the video.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
So the kitchen stays fairly clean. Right here, since I cleaned out the refrigerator and everything, I'm just going back and wiping the counters and everything and doing like a little sweep just to tidy everything up and pull everything all together. So now I'm about to get into the little bit more harder task. Well, not really harder, but it requires a lot more thought than just clean out the refrigerator. That just comes naturally. So just trying to create a vibe, and this is the part where I'm just going to be content planning. I'm going to be doing a little bit of budgeting. I'm going to be doing some weekly planning, and now with having 2 channels, I have to be super duper organized with this main channel and then my fitness channel. So I would just be planning out all my content for the month of September, and like I said, just had to catch a little vibe. Lit that candle because it was, very relaxing. Just had a little soft music playing in the background. So yeah, this is just me trying to get everything planned and all together for the month of September.
I really thought it was love, but just so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my model legs.
So on my notes in my iPad and then my phone, I jot down like a lot of ideas, and then what I do from the ideas, I will plan it out more thoroughly with pen and paper because I am a write that stuff down type of girl. So I'm just making sure everything coincides together and that every thought process is smooth. And right here I'm just checking a little bit of my analytics, because what I'm going to do as well is set some YouTube goals. And so I'm just going through my analytics, checking those and seeing what videos have performed well. And then this is both my content calendar. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that content coming in September. And then right here, I had to get out my big calendar. So this is the calendar that hangs up in my room. So this is color coordinated. I have like days I'm supposed to post on each channel, and then these also have like life events on it, such as appointments and anything that I've scheduled out for the month. So I'm just going through this calendar, and basically my digital calendars and then the calendars that I write stuff down on, I just have to have both forms of calendars. Like I need a digital one and I need it where things are written down as well.
Hold up, watch me go up, leave me so stuck. I'm back and I'm better than they. One bitch on my level, ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby.
So last but not least, I've come to the portion where I am writing out my goals for the month of September. So I break these down into like career goals, financial goals, YouTube goals. So I'm just writing down all my goals that I have for the month of September, and then also writing down the affirmations that I will be focusing on for the whole month of September as well. But I know this video was not super long, y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope this encourages you to just do a little reset routine for the month of September, hone in on your goals and what you want to achieve for the month. But I hope everybody has a blessed and prosperous September. I hope y'all achieve those goals that y'all are working towards, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.